for you. That hadith is not only the believers or the Muslims. You have to have mercy for everybody. Because even non-Muslims, you have to love to see them, believers. You have to love to see them saved from hellfire. Don't just hate people. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Dabba ilaykum da'ud min qablakum al-hasad wal-baghdad." The sickness of the nation before you, it's coming to you, is envy and hate. He said, "Fasad zatil bayn," breaking the relationship between two persons. He said, "He al-haliqa," he's the cutter. He's not shaving the hair, but he's shaving your teeth. So if you break the relationship between you and your brother, it's like you shave all the barakah of your deen. That's why he said, "He al-haliqa." He's the shaver, but he's not shaving hair, but he shaved all your deen. So it's not just enough. You pray and you fast and you mention Allah day and night and disrespect the people. Because Allah loves His creation. We have to love them. We have to know our brothers, they are the mu'minun, but we have to love all the creation of Allah and consider them brother in the creation. Because when Allah sent Hud, and He said, "I sent him to his brothers." And Shu'aib, He said, "I sent him to his brothers." And Saleh, He said, He sent Saleh to his brothers. And those people, they don't believe what Allah sent Saleh to bring to them. They don't believe what Allah sent Shu'aib to bring to them. They don't believe what Allah sent Hud to bring to them. But they brother because they are among the creation of Allah Ta'ala. So it's our duty as the Ummah of Shahada, Ummatul Islam, try to be best and try to show love to others and to help them to come to Islam. Because the way we act, that's the way the people consider Islam. So if you just be a Muslim and think, "Oh, I shouldn't, talk to these people because they kuffar," who make you believe? Allah, Tabarak wa Ta'ala. He can't make them believers. When Prophet came to Taif and they fight him and disrespect him and take him out, an angel came to him asking, "Do you want me to destroy all this village and they die?" And one day he said, "No." He said, "Allahumma ahdi qawmi fa innahum la ya'lamun." Oh Allah, guide my nation because they don't know. He forgive them. Not only He forgive them, but He give them excuses because they don't know. And He said, Allah may bring from them good people. So now if you go to Taif, you see everybody is Muslim. So we can't face the same problem in this side of the world. You say all these people, they don't care about deen, they don't know. It's your duty to teach them. And the way to teach them with wisdom. ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة. Call to way of your Lord with wisdom and good advice. But if you want to force people, and Allah didn't send Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to force people to take Islam. So we have to have wisdom. We have to be nice with the people. Then they can understand our deen the best way.
MashaAllah.